Hello players, welcome. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. So I was practicing, right, and I came across this drum fill that sounded too good to just let go. Just check this out. Yeah, so I decided, you know what, I'm going to break it down for the player nation so you guys can add it to your whole list of goodness. You can bring it out and apply it to your music whenever you see fit. So in this video, we're going to break down the drum fill you just heard. Okay, so now we're going to break it down so you get to see the details and the nuances that make up the drum fill. Before we go on, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, join the player nation, join the tribe, subscribe. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. Let's try and smash 150 likes for this video, shall we? Okay. So the first part of this drum fill is made up of 4 notes. 2 hits on the toms, 1 hit on the hi-hat, 1 hit on the kick. So this is what it sounds like. As you can see, the hi-hat is a hi-hat stop. It's like a choke thingy. Okay, let's move to the second part of the drum fill. So this is the basic gist of what it sounds like. So as you can see, it's 1 hit on the kick, 2 hits on the rack tom, then 2 hits on the floor tom, then it crashes. Okay, before we put it together, let's see how each part sounds within the context of the click. So this is the first part. And this is the second part, played along with the click. So as you can see, they fall at different parts. So now we're going to put the two together and it sounds like this. But now we would have to play the whole thing with a click and see how the whole fill, the whole pattern fits within a groove or fits within a bar. If you're new here, hit the subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever and wherever there's a new video. This video was brought to you by the Drum Shells Builder app. Save your drum fills when you're on the go, when you don't have drums around. Yet, you can save everything on your phone, just like that. The Drum Shells Builder app, the link is in the description down below. Check it out, download it. Thank you so much for supporting the Drum Shells Builder app, which ends up supporting this channel. I appreciate it so much. Recently, we hit 10K likes. Okay, 10K, 10,000 likes. And that's amazing. That's amazing, actually. That's awesome.